Once upon a time, in the vibrant heart of Jamaica, in the 1970s, there was a young lady named Charlene. She was the kind of lady whose smile could light up the whole Kingston streets. Working as a secretary in a bustling office filled with the rhythms of reggae and the scent of fresh jerk chicken. Every day, she'd sit at her desk, humming softly, her eyes dreaming of something more, perhaps a love that would sweep her off her feet. Across town, Robert was a brave young soldier, with a heart full of hope and a spirit as fiery as the island sun. He'd often pass by her office during his breaks, stealing glances at her from behind the fence, feeling a flutter in his chest every time their eyes met. But because he was a soldier and she a secretary, their worlds seemed so far apart. Yet, deep down, they both knew their hearts beat to the same reggae rhythm. One sunny afternoon, as the golden rays danced through the palm trees, Robert found a reason to talk to her. He left his post for just a moment and approached her desk, shy but determined. "Hello, miss," he said softly. "I've seen you every day, and I just had to say, your smile is like a warm Caribbean sunrise." Charlene's cheeks blushed as she looked up, surprised but pleased. They started talking about everything, music, dance, and their dreams of a better future. Their connection grew stronger with each word, like the roots of the mighty baobab tree. From that day on, they shared secret meetings, hidden beneath the moonlit sky, dancing to reggae beats and whispering promises of love. Though their worlds were different, she working tirelessly in her office, and he serving his country, they found harmony in each other's company, a love as warm and vibrant as the Jamaican sun. And so, in that unforgettable 1970s Jamaica, amidst the rhythm of life and love, Charlene and Robert's story became a sweet melody, a reminder that sometimes love finds its way through the smallest of cracks, lighting up even the darkest days with hope, joy, and the purest of Caribbean love.